Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the video and subtitle file are both loaded in VLC Mobile. You want the exact timing reference before changing anything. Once the file is playing, open the subtitle menu and confirm the subtitle track or external. SRT is selected. Make sure you can access subtitle synchronization controls. This gives you the delay indicator and step buttons. You need that visible so you can observe changes. From here, you're ready to apply precise adjustments rather than guessing. You will now adjust timing in deliberate small steps. Tap the subtitle delay forward or backward by 100 milliseconds to nudge subtitles later or earlier. Once done, play short scenes with clear dialogue and compare lip movement to text. If they lag, move text earlier and vice versa. Make larger changes only after several small attempts to avoid overshooting. If VLC Mobile exposes frame step or waveform aids, use them to verify alignment visually for greater precision. Finish by saving your offset. Note the final delay value so you can reapply it or export a corrected subtitle file when possible. If the timing adjustments don't stick, make sure to reload the subtitle track, restart VLC Mobile, or clear the app cache. Sometimes settings won't persist until a restart. Also, check for hard-coded subtitles or duplicate tracks. They won't respond to delay controls. If problems persist, revert to manual re-encoding of the SRT using a subtitle editor on a computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.